Want to build a powerful web app quickly? In this video, you'll learn how to create a simple CRUD application, create, read, update, delete, using Django in under 30 minutes. Start by setting up a virtual environment and installing Django. Then, create a new project using Django admin start project and a new app with Python manage.py start app. Next, define your model in models.py, such as a task or student, and run migrations to create the database tables. Now, register your model in the Django admin panel for easy backend management. Move on to building your views using Django's class-based or function-based views. For CRUD, you'll need a view for listing entries, another for creating, one for editing, and one for deleting. Use Django's generic views like list view, create view, update view, and delete view to save time. Then create templates for each view using Django's built-in templating engine, and map the views to URLs in urls.py. Add basic HTML forms in your templates to handle user input. You can use Django's ModelForm to automatically generate forms from your model. Test the app by creating new entries, editing existing ones, and deleting records, all from your browser. Finally, run the server and see your CRUD app in action. Django's MVT architecture keeps everything clean and modular, making development fast and scalable. With just a few steps, you've built a fully functional CRUD app, perfect for beginners or as a base for more advanced projects.